CMU2E is a newly developed multi-industry green energy and energy-saving application controller by Meanwell. The product adopts full digital control and can be matched with NTN-5K bidirectional inverter according to application requirements. Solar modules and MPPT controllers implement green energy and energy-saving related applications. Users can set AC output voltage and charging curve or monitor the AC output voltage, power and abnormal message through the touch display panel. Users can set UPS mode or energy saving mode according to actual needs. When set to UPS mode with mains power available, the NTN-5K will directly bypass the mains to the load and charge the battery at the same time. When the mains is abnormal, the inverter will be activated for backup. When set to energy-saving mode, battery energy takes priority. Customers can combine solar panels and solar chargers for energy saving. When the battery voltage is too low, AC bypass will be activated while simultaneously charging the battery. In addition to serving as backup for critical equipment such as data centers and medical facilities, the product is also suitable for mobile equipment applications such as camping vehicles and work beacons. Product function demonstration. Mode setting. Click Other in the setting options. For the output priority setting, you can choose battery or mains priority. Mains power priority is UPS mode. Battery priority is energy saving mode. Charging curve setting. Click the charger mode in the setting options and set the charging current to 14A and click Apply. Enable AC input to confirm charging current. CMU2E displays mains charging and performs mains power supply. Confirm the charging current in the status option. The charging current displays 14A. AC voltage and frequency settings. Click on the inverter mode in the setting options. Set the output voltage to 220 volts, 60 Hz and click Apply. After the settings are completed, the NTN-5K must be restarted before the settings can be executed to ensure system safety. The output display reading is 219.3 volts, 59.9 Hz. The output is correct. Remote on-off test. Click on Off to control AC output on Off. UPS backup test. Turn on and off the AC switch to confirm that the output voltage waveform is stable. Transition time is less than 10 milliseconds. Related ultra-high power UPS backup system application requirements can be composed of NTN-5K, CMU2E/DC, batteries, cabinets and other products, single-phase or three-phase 4-wire system power supplies for ultra-high power mobile or backup power system applications. Meanwell continuously utilizes software, systems, solutions, and services as our product strategy to offer customers cost-effective, high-productivity benefits value-added products and solutions. For more comprehensive product introductions and information, please refer to our online virtual expo. Please contact Meanwell's technical support team for any technical questions. Thank you for watching.